Hey friends, welcome back to another Cook With Me video. It's been a while since I've done one of these, so in today's video we're going to do this copycat recipe of Taco Bell's Crunchwrap. So for this recipe you will need some shredded cheese, sour cream, shredded lettuce, chopped up tomatoes, a can of nacho cheese, rosarita beans, some tostada shells, large flour tortillas, and some cooked ground beef. So here I'm just warming up the beans in the microwave to start, and then I also warm up the tortillas just to make them a little bit more pliable, and also warming up the nacho cheese. Now here I have my husband helping me so I can film, but you're just gonna start by spreading the nacho cheese, sprinkling with a little bit of the ground beef. From here you're gonna go ahead and put the tostada shell on and then spread that with beans. And you're just going to go ahead and put all the toppings on that you like. So next is the sour cream, if you like that. Then the lettuce and tomatoes, and we like to finish it off with the cheese because that will just kind of help hold the tortilla in place. So warming up a pan and just spraying it with a little bit of the cooking spray. You're going to let that heat up for a few minutes beforehand. Then you're just going to go ahead and fold the tortilla like in a clockwise direction. And as you will see here, ours tears a little bit, but that's totally fine. It'll still stay together. Once that browns a little bit on that first side, you're just going to flip it over. And that is it. It is as simple as that. This is one of my boys' favorite meals. They really like it. So hopefully you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Maybe you'll try this recipe out. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye everyone.